Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my updated eyebrow routine. I already have one of my eyebrows done, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do the other one. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be taking this ColourPop brow pencil, and it is in the color black and brown, and that's what I'm going to be using to do my brows. The reason why I like this pencil is because it is very thin and it is very precise, and I'm a perfectionist, so this pencil works really great for me. So I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer in so that you guys can see how I get this done. Alright, so I'm going to start by brushing up my eye. I'm going to start by brushing up my brow hairs using the spoolie on one end of the brow pencil. And I don't know why, but I take a long time to brush up my eyebrows because I want to see exactly where my hair and how it grows. Like I said before, I am a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. So I make sure that the hairs are brushed up so you can see exactly where you're drawing. Alright, so being very careful, I start at the bottom of my brow and I basically create a line a little bit further out from where my hairs actually start, and you'll see why I do that a little bit later. So I just draw a line at the bottom of my eyebrow, and I am very light-handed with this. I don't go overboard. I'm very light-handed with this because you want the line to be nice and straight but not too harsh. So I'm being very light-handed with this, as you can see. So now I'm gonna go to the top, but I'm not gonna go as far as my hair. I'm gonna start probably exactly where my hair, the front of my hair on my brows are, and I'm gonna draw a line and follow where my hair naturally grows, if that makes any sense. And just be very light-handed with this. It takes time to get this down pat, but I've kind of perfected it over the years. But that's kind of just what you do. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the spoolie, and I'm just going to take the spoolie and I'm going to brush out those harsh lines. I'm basically just brushing out the harsh lines into my brows. And now I am going in and I am filling in the rest of my brow with the pencil very lightly. I'm doing it very, very lightly. You don't want harsh lines. You don't want your brows to look fake. And this is just how I get my brows to look as natural as possible. For the purpose of this video, I did go a little bit heavier handed, just so that it could show up on my face. But usually I go a little bit light-handed with this so that my brows look like they're my brows. So I'm just going in and lightly filling in the brows. Wherever I see sparse hairs, just filling it in with the pencil. And then I'm going in with the spoolie every once in a while to brush it out, fill it in, brush it out, fill it in. Alright, so now here is what makes the brows go from, level 1 to level 2. So at the front part of my brows, I am going in and I'm making hair-like strokes at the front of my brows. And this is what's going to take your eyebrow game to the next level, because it's kind of creating fake hairs at the front of your brow. So if you feel like your brows are a little bit too far apart, this is what you can do to give it that look. And I do this all the time because I personally feel that my eyebrows are a little bit far apart. And this isn't easy to do because this could be your make or break when it comes to doing your eyebrows, because you can go a little bit too heavy-handed with this and it's overboard. So just take your time and learning how you can do this to make it look as natural as possible. And as you can see, my brows look like they could actually be mine. And it takes some time to finesse it the way that you want, but keep working at it. and you'll get better. So I'm going in with some mascara, and what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to comb the mascara through my hair, and this is what is going to make the hairs that already exist on my eyebrows stand out even more, and making my eyebrow looks like it's all basically hair, making every hair look like it's important, like it's relevant, like it was meant to be there in the first place. So I'm just combing this through my brows to give it that look. But yeah, so that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you a little bit. It's very hard to describe how you do your brows, but I hope it was helpful, and you can always rewatch this video, you know, to see how I do it. I hope it was helpful to anyone. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me today on my channel, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye!